Well, it was another horrid day for AI, software and tech stocks. And it was particularly bad for the microchip maker AMD, which plunged 17% after a weaker than expected profit forecast. And shares of companies spending big on the AI arms race were also hit hard, like Nvidia, Tesla and Google, which some argue are looking overvalued. Now, Google is planning to double its spending on artificial intelligence to about $180 billion this financial year. Before, that kind of news usually led to investors thinking, great, that's money well spent. But all the tech giants have got the same idea, and collectively they've spent trillions on AI. So now people are getting a little bit worried about whether it's worth it, splashing all that cash, and when their AI investments will finally pay off. So that anxiety led to big falls on Wall Street and Asian markets, particularly South Korea, which is dominated by tech firms. But Australia's share market only fell by about 0.5%, as we really don't have much of a tech sector here. Now, locally, gains in healthcare and wine companies were more than offset by heavy losses across mining stocks, especially with silver's bubble bursting by another 14%, while oil, gold and iron ore are down by another 2% or so. Meanwhile, the Aussie dollar has slipped to 69.7 US cents, and Bitcoin has crashed below 71,000 US dollars after a 43% drop in just 4 months. And when we look at all the speculative cryptocurrencies out there, about 1.8 trillion US dollars has been wiped off their total value. So after Donald Trump spent much of his term pumping up crypto and making a fortune out of it, a lot of people who've made enough are now dumping it. And that's finance.